Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create using AppSheet a QR code scanner, and then your customer can see the price and also they can see the information of the product. So what we're gonna do is we need to create first our database, and I already prepared my database. So in this example, I have a supermarket. Let's say this is a supermarket, and I have this sample products, which is it has a barcode, which is the unique key, and then the name of the product, the price, and then the image. Then I have the product URL. Then I have the product QR code. Basically, what is the product URL? We're gonna automatically create a QR code for that. So in short, we have to get each product URL in order for us to create a unique QR code. Then once you're done for your database, we need to create an app. Let's go to the app sheet. Then let's create an app. So let's say I'm going to name this app as scan to check price, for example. Then I'm going to just choose the data wherein I just created, which is the price list. So this is my sample data. So price list, I will just wait once it's loaded. So this is very useful if you have like a shop and you wanted to have your customer to just scan the QR code and they can view the prices. So you don't need to install like a price checker inside your shop. And the good thing about this, they don't need to install the app. All they have to do is just to scan the QR code, and then it will direct them to the app sheet and enables them to look for the product description and the price as well. Then what we're gonna do is to review the table. So in this case, barcode will be the key column. And anyway, this table, it will be a read only. Name, okay. Price will be, I will configure the price. So let's say I would like to have it as 3 digit and keep it as a USD. It's fine. Image. So this is the image of the product if you want to attach a photo. And then product URL, then product QR code. I'm going to keep it as an image. Once you're done for that, we have to create our product URL first. So we need to create an individual product URL in all our products. As you can see, this product URL still empty because we need to create this inside the app. So first we have to create our product URL. So the product URL, you have just to go to the UX, and after you go to the UX, I would suggest we will create first our first view for the products. Then the product, I will keep it as this is not really important, this product here. The most important part is the details. So this one, I will keep it as in the menu. Then I will just maybe sort it by name. It's called, or let's say sort it by barcode. Then main image, it's fine. Then here is the primary header, which is the name of the product. Then maybe the secondary will be the price. And then that's all. No need to show the action. Then once you're done for that, you have to go to products details. So in the product details, this is where you're gonna control how the customer look, how is the design for this. So this is the most important part because your customer will not see all your products. They will only see, once they scan the QR code, they will only see a specific product based on the QR code. So here with what we're gonna do is the column order. I want them to see first, let's say, the image of the product, then the barcode, or let's say the name of the product, then the price, then let's say um, the barcode, and then the last will be, let's say, the image. Then if you wanted to let them see as well the QR code, it's fine. So I think it's not necessary. So I will keep it side by side and fit. And I am also want to do one thing for this. I wanted to create like a banner, which is a design for my, let's say, for my supermarket. So let's find a what you call this. I think I save it already here. Okay, let's. I think I hide it here. Okay. So I have here the banner. I would like to create like a header, like a design on the top of the details of my product. So what I'm gonna do is first maybe I will add here I will call it as a banner. Purpose of banner is like a design. Then I'm gonna just keep it as like that. Then I'm gonna configure this. So this is a show type, show. Then this is an image. Category is an image. Then I'm gonna just place the URL here. So this is I just got its random pictures from Google, and also you can take from your Google Drive the image. So in this sample, I just take random photos from Google. All right, I will just save. So if we preview the app, and once they go to the details, so this is what they see. Okay. So I wanted to have like a banner on the top of it. So I'm going to the UX, and then we have the detail here. I will just type to make it faster. So maybe the image is quite big. Maybe I will, yeah, I mean, I will put here the first one will be the banner. The purpose of the banner, this is the name of your establishment or your shop. So once you save for it, so you're gonna have like so if you can see that the banner is not showing still. Yeah, so you can see it's on the button. So what I'm gonna do is I want to put this banner up. So I'm gonna just adjust this by, not sure why it goes like that. Still, let me refresh. Mm-hmm. So the image should be, the banner should be up. So I'm gonna put it as header column. Let's say I'm gonna use the banner, and then okay, the image is pretty big, so I'm gonna adjust it. Gonna adjust this and save. Let's see. It's eating the space. It's pretty big. So let me see. Let me try to remove the image. So you can adjust the image. If you do like that, it will eat the space of the something bug in here. Let me open it in desktop. Mm-hmm. What's going on in this? Okay, let me see once again if I have that product detail, then main image. Okay. So the main image is I want to keep it as none. That's the reason why it goes like that. Yeah, that's the reason why. So main image is nothing. Then I wanted to be the banner, the first one. Then maybe we can insert the image next to it here, next to the banner. Down of the banner will be the image. So which is perfect. So they can see the picture of the product, then the price, then also the barcode. So you can add more details on it. If you keep it in the centered, let me see how it's look like. So if it's in the centered, it's not nice. So I would suggest keep it side by side, guys. Or yeah, side by side. So we're all good for that. Okay, once you're done for that, we have to create a link in each product that we have. So we have to double check only, make sure you put it in the menu. Then you go to the brand and make sure here you can customize the logo that you have. You can customize it, so you can use custom URL and launcher of your app as well. So let me try to put a any background here. I will just grab very quick here. Let's say a supermarket background in Google, and to see it nicer. Okay, let's say anything here, supermarket cover photo, for example. I will just grab quick background here to make it nice. So let's say I'm gonna just use this or this or this. I think this one. Copy image address. I'm gonna just launch image here. I'm gonna just create a custom. So this is how you customize the your app. So logo, I'll keep it like that. Then here, the important thing here is you need to hide the menu and search bar, okay? Because you don't want to let them see the whole products. So you want them only to see the products, which is um, they scan the QR code. Then once you're done for that, guys, so you already hide it. You already hide the menu. Then you go to the security, and since this is a public app, you don't want your user to sign in if they view the price, right? So you don't want to do that. It's very inconvenient to your customer. So what you're gonna do is remove this require sign in. So you have to untick this one, or no need to sign in, then check these two buttons here and then save. So this is now a public app, so anyone who scanned the QR code has the access to your app sheet. Then here is we need to get the URL of each product. To get that, since you want to give the details of the product, you go to the details in the UX, product details. AppSheet is automatically generating this deep link or a URL here. All you have to do is just to copy this. Then you go to the data and then to the table, which is the products. Then let's create a product URL expression here. So in order to create that, you have to use concatenate. Then what you're gonna do is just paste that URL that you copied a while ago, and then you have to add the since you need to display the individual product, so we need to in, include here at the last portion, which is the detail. You have to in, include here and row. Okay, so after that you have to put an equal sign here. Okay, so that's the starting expression we have. Then you're gonna put a comma here. Then you're gonna use encode URL expression. And then what is the key column in this table? The key column in this table is the barcode. So this is the unique. So then what you're gonna do is just close it with two parentheses, and it should be good to go. All right, and hit save. So now we are going to test. We're going to test one of the products. So let's create a QR code for that. So right now we don't have anything yet. So right now here, so I'm going to edit this Coca-Cola Zero 1 liter, and once after I edited it, it should provide here a URL for the product, and then we will test. So right here now is okay. So this is the Coca-Cola lit. So the first product, Coca-Cola Zero 1 liter. So this one. So right now here, this is the form view. I'm gonna edit it in order for AppSheet to, let's say, to generate a receipt. Let's say this is 1 liter. Once I save and then I go back to my spreadsheet, it's automatically generate a URL. So this is the URL that we need to test first. I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna test this if this directs me to the. So I'm gonna open an incognito window. Then I'm gonna just paste that the URL to see if the URL is working fine. So here, since our app is in public, so anyone who scanned the QR code will have an access to this. So we'll see how does it look like. I should able to see a Coca-Cola 1 liter. So this is the purpose of that background. So you can choose your own background. All right. So this is a Coca-Cola Zero 1.5 liter, and this is the price of the product. As you can see, they have an access to edit, right? So later on, we're gonna remove the access to edit. So this is just a test, and then so it's correct. Then here we're gonna create a QR code in Google Sheet. We don't need to create. You can also create in AppSheet, but I would prefer this time creating it using the Google Sheet. So I have the formula here. I save it to reduce the time. So creating a QR code, you can just paste this. This is a no. This is the here is the QR code. So the formula for creating a QR code in Google Sheet is we're gonna use the Google APIS and concatenate. Then this is the URL. Then you can choose the size of the QR code. This time I'm gonna choose 500 by 500, and then it's equals. And then you're gonna use also encode URL, which is the reference is the product URL here. So E2. Then once I hit enter, so here is the QR code. I'm gonna try this opening and test it very quick. If this opens my, if this also opens the uh, details of the product. So now I'm trying it in my mobile and to see if I can see a Coca-Cola zero 1 liter, same as this here. Okay, it looks good and it redirects me to the app sheet and redirects me to a product also, same as this. So now we know that our QR code is working. Then next we're gonna do is gonna close this, and then I'm gonna edit all of the products. And I would suggest before putting a product in spreadsheet, you can do it directly in AppSheet in order for you to automatically create a URL. So in this case, since I put it directly to Google Sheet, so I have to edit one by one in Google Sheet in order to produce a URL. So I'm gonna just edit it one by one, and in this way, I can generate a QR code, and the same time I can generate also later on. So we have all here now. So this is the product URL. So only the balance as the QR code. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy this and paste it in here, and then I'm gonna just keep it as E3, and then just auto check this one, and we already created our URL. Sorry, our QR code. This is E3. Okay, and then check. Something wrong here. Sorry, guys. Uh, Again, yeah. So this is E2. I'm gonna just delete this and then go this and autofill. That's how you're gonna create a QR code. So let's test. This is a Fanta Orange, and this one should be Fanta Orange. Let me just check it, guys, very quick. And I will just scan the QR code very quick and see how does it look like. If it's a Fanta Orange, just to see if I'm doing it correctly. Yeah, it's correct, guys. It's a Fanta Orange. So once you're done for that, you already create the your product database. So this is all. So you can just print nicely these QR codes and put it in the product or in the shelf. And so what we're gonna do next is to open this. To go to AppSheet, and we have to remove this edit button. So to do that, go view the table and then read only. So once it's done, you can keep it as read only, and then let's try to open this product. So let's say this is a Fanta Orange. So this is the product URL. Since I'm not using a mobile, I cannot show it to you the QR code. Instead, what I'm gonna do is to test the product URL. Anyway, the product URL and the QR code are the same. This is just the image version, and this is a URL version. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just copy this and then C to test the app. So I need to see it's supposed to be Fanta Orange. If we click, if we scan this QR code, it should be a Fanta orange. So we'll see. Okay, accept. All right. As you can see, they don't have any more access to edit it. So here, to avoid this, this arrow, you don't want them to scroll and scroll like this. To do that, to remove this kind of thing, the slideshow, you have just to go to UX, to a product detail. Then here, scroll down, you will see here slideshow mode. So what you're gonna do is just, you see it in the video, but it doesn't record the, or I will open it here. Okay, so we'll see if it's a Fanta orange. Oops. Yeah, it's good. All good. Sorry, I copied the Coke regular 1 liter, which is correct. So this is how you test it. And let's try another one. If it's Fanta orange. I'm not sure, guys, if you're seeing a incognito in my screen recorder. So I'm not sure. Yeah. So this is I'm testing it. All right. So now it's working. So this is how you're gonna create your database for scanning. I mean, check the price using the QR code. So if you learned something in this video, don't forget to comments, or if you have any questions, you can answer questions, and subscribe as well for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.